Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Family-oriented location apps like Life 360's Family Locator Android, iOS, and GeoZilla Android, iOS are the answer. They also let you set up geo-fences around your home, workplace, or your kids' school, so you can get alerts when your family members enter or leave these areas. 11 February 2017.
Take our lead.
Using Spyitch to track my wife's phone without her knowledge. Therefore, by tracking your partner's device, you can monitor all her whereabouts, including location and many other phone activities. Spyitch is compatible with both Android, News, Alert, and iOS platforms. 16 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can't spy on Android without installing a software. Even these spying apps require installation, and that procedure requires human activity. You will need physical access to the target device, too, for downloading and installing the app.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to track your husband's phone without him knowing for free, then it's possible with tracking apps like MinSpy. But for this to work, he needs to be using an iOS device, either iPhone or iPad. If he's using an Android, then you should check the next section. 20 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.